Hey everyone, welcome to this Excel tutorial. Today we'll learn about standard deviation. Standard deviation is a statistical measure that quantifies the amount of variation or dispersion in a dataset. It tells us how much individual data points differ from the mean numbers or the average of the dataset. It is a key statistical measure that helps us understand how much data values vary from the average. And we'll cover different standard deviation in Excel and how to apply them using a dataset. So let's get started. But let's understand what standard deviation represents. If the standard deviation is low, the data points are close to mean, therefore less variation. If it's high, the data points are more spread out, therefore more variation. Let's now enter our dataset. Suppose we have assessment scores for a group of students. We want to calculate how much the scores vary from the average. So let's have the score now. And also, I'm going to give you the chart for your data visualization. So this chart will show you the trend that it has for the population's assessment score. Now let's calculate the standard deviation for this course. We'll use STDEV.S function because we have a sample dataset, not the entire population. So let me show you the standard deviation here. Okay. And let's get this number. Okay. The result is 5.3. So standard deviation S estimates standard deviation based on the sample and ignores logical values and text in the sample. Okay. So if standard deviation is equal to 5.3, it means the scores vary on average by 5.3 points from the mean. So the mean would be this, average. Again, we'll get this data set to get the average of the mean numbers. So the mean numbers is 87.1. So by 5.3 points from the mean. So if we remove one extreme value, for example, 95, this 95 score, okay, showing less variability. So therefore, the standard deviation will decrease, okay? So if we were analyzing an entire population, we would use the STDEV.P function, okay, instead of STDEV.S. The process is exactly the same, just replace the function in the formula with control P. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change this S to P, okay, to get the population. The result would be 4.5. So this STDEV.P calculates the standard deviation based on the entire population given as arguments. Also ignores logical values and text. Okay. Oh, let me get back the 95. Okay. So if the mean is around 85 and most scores fall between 80 and 90, it suggests fair grading. So let me see. I'm going to put this to 90. Or rather, I'm going to put this to 85. I'm going to put this to, again, 85. Okay, I'm put this to 85 also. So the main numbers is 85, and the grade is average between 80 to 90. So it suggests fair grading. Okay. Let me say if I say if the standard is deviation is 20 plus, right now it's 5. Okay, right now it's 5. So let's say if I put 20 plus, it would mean extreme variation. So let's say, for example, some students scoring 40 and others scoring 100. Let's say 100 for this student and 40 for the student and 40 for the student. So that means the standard deviation is 20 and the mean will become lower, 79.8 mean numbers. So what will happen is perhaps some students did not understand the instruction or the lesson given to them. That's why some students are getting low numbers. Okay. So that's it. You know now how to calculate and interpret standard deviation in Excel, and try it with your own data sets and see how different values affect the results. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Excel tips. So see you next time.